guys, you are watching Technical Adi and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you use your PC YouTube in your Android phone. It is very simple and very easy and you can do it in your Android phone. So guys, without wasting time, let's start the video. First open your Chrome browser and write here YouTube and click. So guys, you can see that its look is like your Android YouTube, and now click the three dots, go the bottom, and guys you can see there is option desktop site. Guys, tick the desktop site, and now you can see that your Android YouTube look is like your PC YouTube. Guys, it is very cool and you can enjoy it. You can tell your friends. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and like the video. Thanks for watching.